We got Specialized's new $600 or 500-pound shoes promise. It promises 7 free watts, but to deliver. So let's unbox the SS Rocks Aries 2 and see if they're worth the hype. Again, we are going to unbox my new Specialized Aries. Yep, got a manual. Yeah. We'll just keep it on the side. And there we go. It does come in a nice bag. Okay, the box is pretty empty. So once we have that, this is how the bag looks like. It's a nice shoe bag with a holder. Dig it up. Here we go. There. Yeah. There we go. Yep. I got it from shoes on. Yeah. So these are the shoes. So in first inspection, it looks, yeah, noticeably lighter from the previous generation. These are the aluminium board eyes. They look pretty clicky. Yeah. So this one does let go of the previous one. The previous Gen 1 had the Dyneema upper lip. The tongue part of it, it's not there anymore. Looks pretty stiff. Yeah, of course, it's a race shoe. It's meant to be stiff. And this part, the heel part of it again is, yeah, it looks reinforced. It looks super, yeah, it's super interesting. And yeah. So the mechanism is like you do this. So just have to try it on my feet. The other thing is that I think this comes with a body geometry insole. However, if you have higher arches, you probably need to buy it separately. That's what I know. I may be completely wrong, but that's what I have read about somewhere. Yeah, I think that's one thing that I need to take care of. Let me just try it on and let you know how it feels like, or at least my initial feedback. Let me just wear this. These are in size 42s, both of them. Yeah. So these are how the shoes look like. It's not, to be honest. It's pretty snug. This is how the top view looks like. I will give you the side views. What the side looks like. Just tested the shoes. The toe boxes definitely are roomier than the previous one, which I had. The heel cups are slightly taller. This is what I felt initially. These are my initial observations. I still have to put some miles on it and then get back to you on how it actually feels like. On a scale, I think it's around 516, which you probably I will give the video right now. So are these any better than the existing SOS torch? We need to find out. If you, as per the advertising materials, what I feel like is that it's supposed to be slightly more faster and more efficient. But again, the proof is in the pudding. I will give a test and I will get back to you on how I feel in the next few videos, upcoming videos.